Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Tulu and I'm an artist. I know it's been a long time, I know, but I am back now and I am going to try my best to be as consistent as possible. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do and turn on your notifications to get notified whenever I drop a new video. As you can already tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a hyper-realistic human eye, so stay tuned. So I already drew the outline off camera. I got the reference I used for this drawing from Pinterest, which by the way is a great place to find references. The list of materials I used for this drawing will also be in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you need them. It took me about 2 to 3 hours to complete this drawing. The first thing I did was to wash my hands to get rid of the destructive oils on my palm that can leave stains on my paper. I also placed a piece of paper under my hand for further protection. So I started off by using a 7B pencil to shade the upper eyelid and lower eyelid to act as a base for my charcoal powder to sit on. Then I went about that with a Q-tip, cotton ball, whatever you want to call it. Please note that I do not apply pressure while I shade and blend. I basically just go over the areas lightly. I'm repeating the same thing for the skin above the upper eyelid and the skin under the lower eyelid. Again, no pressure, just doing it lightly. Now I'm making use of a cotton wool, a small piece of cotton wool actually, to evenly blend the areas again. Still, no pressure. I'm also making use of a small piece of tissue paper to further blend everything out evenly. Now I'm using my charcoal pencil to darken the upper eyelid and crease. Then using a small blending stump to blend everything out. Now I'm using a soft brush and also a flat angled brush for further blending. I'm actually dipping my brushes into charcoal powder before I blend, just so you know. Now I'm using the flat angled brush to create shadows around the crease and then just blending again with tissue. You can see how it's looking now. Now I'm taking my charcoal pencil again to outline the eyebrows and draw the hair strokes gently. Carefully following the pattern of the brows in my reference photograph with light upward movement to create soft hair strokes. And that's a wrap for today's video. The second part of this video would be uploaded very soon, so stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you next time. Bye.